Happy Monday, everyone. Happy Monday. This is at the rail job. We are adding on a spa, a big, beautiful 9x9. You can see we've done the chip down all the way around for brand new tile. Brand new tiles going in. We're getting rid of all the retro tile. All that'll be gone. Got our very always therapeutic spa jets. A triple, a quad, a single, a light in the spa, a return. We're going to be adding a footer behind the enclosure, tying into the screen room. This portion of the roof will be gone, and new purlins will be put in to come out to the back side of the spa. We're also, I believe, if I don't fall down, I believe we're going to be taking out the bottom track and raising the doors. And of course they had to get some new equipment. Let's see what we got. They got all the pipes ran, all the big pipes. Remember, not the small pipes, the big pipes for proper flow. So, yep, we got a new pump there. There's the old pump, got a new pump. There's the spa heater. And we are going to be good. They chose to use their existing pool heater, so hopefully it lasts them a while. The filter is going to be good, so yes, but they did get the new variable speed Pentair. So coming along good. About to start running some stone on the spa. Tile should be done today, and we'll get this thing underway. We got a birthday, a deadline to meet, so let's help them have a happy birthday and get this job done. Sometimes you just don't look at, sometimes you just don't look at the other stuff. Woo. Anyhow, happy Monday. I'm out checking all my patients like the doctor, checking jobs, doing videos, and getting schedules made up for the week. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you soon.